Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Niam to LoveThatFace.com. I'm a cosmetic facial surgeon in Richmond, Virginia. I do surgery from here to here, and I don't do boobs, bellies, or butts. I'm a teacher, I'm an author, and I'm a surgeon, and thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. We have almost 24 million views. So our topic today is going to be, if I have cosmetic surgery, will anybody notice? Okay? And this is kind of a broad topic, and there's a lot of things that go in and out of it. But for the very basics, 100% of people that come in for a facelift consult, and I do over 100 a year, and I've done over 1,600 facelifts. It's my favorite procedure. So all day long, I'm seeing consultations for facelift surgery. And 100% of people are going to say, I want to have a facelift, I want to look better, but I don't want to look like, and then they name some celebrity that's had an unusual facelift. So I go through my evaluation, I lay the patient down, and when they're laying down with their chin up, that's a pretty good estimation of what they would look like with facelift surgery. And so they're going to look natural, because the two things I have to do, they have to have a safe experience and they have to look good, because if they don't look good, I don't look good. I tell everybody it's their face, but it's my reputation. So a natural facelift is not a problem. And the situation is, people say, well, I don't want anybody to know, okay? And, you know, over the years, or the decades, doing 1,600 facelifts, I've had patients come in and say, you know, you did all this work and I love it, but nobody noticed it. And then I've had patients come in and say, hey, you did all this work and I love it, but everybody notices and asks me, you know, what I had done. So here's the bottom line. If you do a facelift or any cosmetic facial surgery, you're going to look different. That's why you're doing it. As long as you look natural, then obviously there's no problem. What the most important thing is that you're doing it for you, all right? And you have to understand that. So if nobody notices, as long as you look in the mirror and you're happy and I'm happy, that's great. If everybody notices, then give them my card. No, seriously, you know, I mean, most, you know, cosmetic surgery should whisper and not scream. And for most people, it's not this giant change, but for some people it is. I mean, I've had patients that had big turkey gobblers and really big jowls, and we did surgery on them and it changed their appearance significantly. So the important thing, again, is you're going to make a significant investment in time, in recovery, monetarily, and you have to understand that you're doing it for you. And the earlier you do this, the less the change is going to be. Now, of course, you're not going to have a facelift at 30, but you know, some patients in their later 40s are candidates for a face and neck lift, which again is for the jowls and for the neck. And the younger you are, the smaller amount of aging that you have, the less noticeable the change will be. Obviously, you'll notice it, but a lot of people, when you have cosmetic surgery before you have a lot of aging, they won't quite understand. They'll say, did you shave your mustache? Did you lose weight? Did you change your hairstyle if you're female? And they can't put their finger on it. So that's great. If you wait until you're later in life, where you have a lot of aging and a big turkey gobbler and really big jowls, obviously then people are going to notice more. But I've really never had a situation where somebody was unhappy or mad. It's just, you know, what to expect after your facelift surgery. So this is a conversation I have with my patients frequently, and I hope that makes sense. If you're considering any cosmetic facial surgery, check out our website, LoveThatFace.com. I'm Dr. Joe Niam. It would be my honor to be your surgeon.